Hi friends, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff, and I have some really fun things to share with you today for our stamping projects. I have a team of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators signed up underneath me, of course. I absolutely love this group of women, and I try to support them in any way I can. So today I'm going to share with you a few fun prizes that I recently sent to some of my team members who participated in Stampin' Up's OnStage at Home conference this past week. We didn't get together in Salt Lake City like we do normally, but we had our virtual conference from home, and I really wanted to surprise them and share some fun things with them. So I made up these cute little treat boxes to send to all of the ladies who were participating in that conference. So I wanted to show you what I sent them and give you a couple of cute little gift ideas. And I'm also going to share with you a fun little stamping technique with our Stamparatus to get multiple colors on one stamped image. So each person who is doing this, who did this OnStage conference, got these things in their box. They got a cute card made with our Whale Done stamp set and our Whale Builder punch. I found some cute little treats while they're sitting around. You know, this is all online, so I figured they'd want some snacks for the conference. I found these adorable little post-it notes on this mini clipboard, so I put them in. They could take notes on them if they want. Put little inspirational messages on them and hang them up by their desk. Here is something I made for each one of these. I found these cute little plastic frames at the dollar store, and I decorated them. So you could take the star-shaped paper in the background, you could take that out. So I used some of our Whale of a Time designer paper and our Whale Done stamp set and the Whale Builder punch, and I decorated each of these. So I put the whale in the background and then stamped this and put the fun little emblem on the front. So give them a little bit of encouragement each time they look at this. Then everybody loves gummy worms, right? Those are definitely an awesome snack when you are needing something to keep you going through the day. And I also made these cute little notebooks. So I found the notebooks, they were already black like this, so I didn't cover it or anything. And then I used the ridiculously awesome stamp set. I love the greetings in this set. Love, love, love the greetings in this set for encouragement. So I stamped that, and I'm going to show you here in a second how I got these words to be multiple colors. And then I used our rainbow glimmer paper in the background. I cut these out with our stitched nested labels dies and used some Artistry Blooms designer paper for the little banners in the background. So I'll get these out of the way, and I want to show you how I did that multiple colored image, because it's a really fun and easy technique with the Stamparatus. So here's my Stamparatus. I have a piece of paper already lined up here in the corner, and I've already mounted this Make Today Ridiculously Awesome stamp onto the plate. So what I'm going to do first is I decided I wanted the top to be Granny Green, the center to be Bermuda Bay, and the bottom to be Gorgeous Grape, like the rainbow glimmer paper that I'd used in the background. So I'm going to ink this, but I only want about the top half or the top third inked with the Granny Green. I'm going to stamp that. Now, if I'm worried about colors mixing, I can go ahead and clean that off, but I'm not worried about the Bermuda Bay coming on next since it is darker than the Granny Apple Green. So I'm going to ink that, stamp it again. So now we have that Bermuda Bay across the bottom 2/3 or so of this. Now I want to add my Gorgeous Grape in at the bottom, and I don't want those colors to blend, so I want to clean that off. And I'm going to ink just the bottom third or so with that Gorgeous Grape. Stamp again, and there you can see after the blending it almost looks more like a deep blue, but I just love that effect with the different colors. So here you can see again that cute notebook that I made, and fun little treat boxes for my team members. These are great gift ideas if you know somebody who doesn't live nearby, if you want to send them some happy mail. These are some great ideas. And also, if you have ever thought about signing up with Stampin' Up, if you would love to earn money off of your love of crafting, or if you would just like to get a discount on your products, I would love to welcome you to my team and help you do whatever you would like to do with Stampin' Up. So contact me if you're interested. You can get more ideas and inspiration for your crafting projects on my blog at scrappingstampingandstuff.com. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you again next time.